Hey everyone, and welcome back. Christmas is just around the corner, and what better way to spread some joy than with a super cool RC car. Today we're counting down the top 5 RC cars that are perfect for adults and for kids this Christmas, including all of the discounts. The links to all of the vehicles I mentioned in this video will be in the description down below, so make sure to go check those out. But we are going to be doing the order backwards, starting with number 5. The top RC cars for adults this Christmas. Kicking off our countdown at number 5, we have the amazing Traxxas TRX4. This truck is all about scale realism, technical crawling, and a very different kind of RC experience that you'll never get with another one. The TRX4 isn't about speed, it's about precise control and overcoming obstacles. Its locking differentials, high and low gear settings, and incredible detailed scale design make it perfect for those who enjoy a more deliberate, immersive RC experience. It's a great choice for relaxing adventures in the great outdoors. This truck has been so much fun, from taking it in sand hills to crawling over different types of rocks, trying out different tires to see what crawls better. It has endless possibilities that are only limited to what your creativity can come up with. Now, the TRX4s do come in many different shapes and sizes and designs to $550, which those include the high trail. Still not a bad price for a very realistic crawler. Coming in at number 4, this truck is also on the best RC cars for kids right now, is the Traxxas Mini-Maxx. Do not let size fool you. This little monster truck packs a serious punch. The Mini-Maxx is perfect for when you want that max level durability, but in a small package that's more manageable for tighter spaces and easier to transport. I even brought it in my backpack to Florida. It's a quick, nimble, and is built very tough. It's a fantastic all-around option for those who want big performance without the big sizes. This little thing is such an amazing car at only $250. It's one of the top-selling RC cars as of right now. Accelerating into the number 3 spot is the Traxxas Max. Now this is probably my favorite all-around RC car, but I have it ranked at number 3 for a reason. This is the original mid-size monster truck, and it's still a favorite amongst many enthusiasts, including myself. The Max is known for its ability to handle a lot of abuse, and I mean a lot. It's fast, it's powerful, and it's incredibly durable. It is a serious bash machine capable of conquering anything you throw at it. This is a perfect choice for those who don't want to hold back anything when playing with their RC. It will do double backflips, it will slam into trees, it is bash ready, and it will still just laugh at the trees and keep going. As you can see here, the Max is coming in at $569.95, which is an amazing mid-sized price for the best RC car you could possibly buy. Now, zooming into the number 2 spot, it's the hybrid that's taken the RC world by storm, the Traxxas Max Slash. This truck combines the best of both worlds and is proving to be a serious contender. The Max Slash takes the Max brutal durability and combines it with the Slash's fun handling characteristics, resulting in a versatile and exciting driving experience. It can handle a variety of terrain and is capable of some seriously impressive jumps and sliding. This is perfect for those who want a thrilling and all-around capable RC truck. And it is actually on sale majorly right now for only $549.95 right now, opposed to $700. You can save $150 right now, and I think it's one of the best buys that you could do for yourself this Christmas. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for, the number 1 spot is the Traxxas X-Maxx. For nearly 10 years now, the X-Maxx is one of the most brutal beasts of all time, and you will not be disappointed with this. This is the pinnacle of monster truck performance. The X-Maxx is just a beast. This is the RC truck that takes everything to the extreme. Its massive size, incredible power, and impressive durability make it the ultimate bashing machine. It's guaranteed to impress and provide hours upon hours of pure adrenaline-fueled fun. This is the gift that is sure to put a smile on any adult RC enthusiast's face. As you can see here, we have pulled friends with it, we have backflipped it, we have slammed it into trees, it just laughs it off and keeps going. And actually, same thing as the Max Slash, it is on sale right now. And guys, Traxxas never runs sales for $899.95 opposed to usually $1,100. So you could save $200 if you get it right now. So this is a very important time to pick up an RC car that you have always wanted. Now, let's get into the best RC cars to get for your kids this Christmas, ranking them from 5 to 1. These Traxxas models are designed to be fun, to be durable, and to get you and your kids excited for all the fun they can have. Let's jump right into it. Starting at number 5, the TRX-4M. It is a smaller sibling to the TRX-4. These are tiny crawler trucks that are super durable and just a lot of fun to get your kids started out with crawling. It has very realistic suspension that can drive over pretty much any small terrain or rocks, and I especially love this thing to drive around my dog, and she enjoys it so much. Now, these are not about speeds, they are about exploring and conquering any terrain your kids can find. They are incredibly detailed, very realistic, and sure to spark some creativity for your kids. The Traxxas TRX-4M comes in 2 different shapes and sizes and a few different colors, and they come in at right under $180. You're going to have way more fun than how bad $180 is going to hurt with this little truck, and your kids are going to learn exactly how to crawl. Next, we have number 4, the Traxxas Stampede 4x4 BL2S. If your kid is ready for more power and control, this is the one for you. The 4-wheel drive system is the key here, giving it an amazing traction and control over all kinds of terrain. It is a step up from the 2-wheel drive version, meaning more control, which leads to more confidence and more fun. And the BL2S is a brand new brushless motor that Traxxas is offering, so you no longer have to worry about the old Titan motors burning out, and it is a perfect motor for any starter. The Stampede 4x4 BL2S is sitting at right at under $330, which is not a bad price for all of the HD parts and BL2S, as this truck is fully upgradable to make it faster. Next up, coming at number 3, we have one of my personal favorites that's for adults and for kids, is the Traxxas Mini-Max. This little booger is so much fun. We have beat the absolute heck out of it, and it has been just fine. It tops out at about 25 miles an hour, but because it's based off of the Max driveline, it is super tough. It is a great starter car for any kid, and I think it'll be one of the main toys that could get them into the hobby for the rest of their life. It is the perfect RC truck for your kid who wants a super capable and rugged machine. Its small size makes it great for indoor and outdoor. It can handle all sorts of tricks and jumps as you see here, and is sure to be a hit with your young ones. This truck proves that great things do come in small packages. Accelerating into the number 2 spot, we have the cool Traxxas / 2-wheel drive BL2S. This short course truck is designed to look and handle just like the real thing. The Slash is perfect for any kid who is starting out and who wants a bit of race truck action. It can slide around corners and catch some air, making it really fun to drive. The BL2S system gives it plenty of speed, and the short course style is a huge hit with everyone. This truck is sure to turn heads. This is actually the first truck I ever had as well. It wasn't the BL2S, it was the old Titan motor. So this one is actually faster and more durable than the one I started out with over 15 years ago. The Slash 2-wheel drive BL2S is coming in at $270. That's not bad for a very capable starter car for your kids. And now for our top pick, taking the number 1 spot, it's the one, the only, the Traxxas Stampede 2-wheel drive BL2S. This is a classic monster truck that is fun for everyone. The Stampede is a perfect first RC. It is really easy to control but built super tough and can handle anything your kids throw at it. It can also just about jump over anything, jump off of anything, and it's sure to put a smile on any kid's face this Christmas. This truck has been around for a long time for a reason, and it's still a blast to drive. And again, with the brand new BL2S system, it is tougher, more capable, and faster than the original models. The Stampede 2-wheel drive BL2S is coming in right under $250, which is again a very great starting price for your kids. Well, thank you guys so much for listening to my top 5 best RC cars this Christmas for kids and top 5 best RC cars this Christmas for adults. What do you guys think about this list? Are you planning on getting any of these for yourself or for your kids or for your buddies? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. The links to all of the vehicles I mentioned in this video will be in the description down below, so make sure to go check those out.